This is the pit where Ragnar died.
Yes, thank God. Just in this place, just here. This is where the pagan died.
Then it is a sacred place.
How dare you say such things? Are you mad?
I may be, but since I love some of you, I urge you again to take heed of my warning. The sons of Ragnar are sure to come.
It's where our father was killed.
Umichel, golden silver, askas du for mindre lofen. Nenesin wars. Enigestrøyon.
His father has him away from the gold and silver.
Напиши по дощке.